Okay, so I'm going to start with exercise 1. Open a new screen to record a macro. So hit the record button. I'm going to name it exercise 1. And go ahead and assign this one to a button. Add it here. Alright. Let's do this. Go ahead and type in who's the master. Sure enough, I can't hear you. And there I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. And then enter one more time. And I'm going to switch over to exercise 2, which is to record another macro that goes up 3 lines. So I'm going to just go ahead and use this. And let's see, it's going to be exercise 2. And this one's going to be going up 3 spaces. I'm going to assign this to a keyboard. Since my name is Ladarius, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Control L. Assign this here. Go ahead and close. And then 1, 2, 3. Start recording. And I'm going to try to run the first one. So in the developer column, the developer column, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Then from here, I'm going to Control L. Alright, so we got the first 2 out of the way. Alright. I've already assigned a macro to a button or keyboard shortcut. Assign an existing macro to a quick access toolbar button. Alright, so go back to our web page here. And let's go to the developer macros. Let's see. So I'm gonna right click, customize quick access toolbar, and macros. So we'll use macros too, since we don't have it here already, and add this one. And maybe I should adjust this. Click OK. Now we have exercise 2 in our quick access toolbar. Let's see. Oops, wrong button there. Alright, run a macro. Okay, we've already ran macro, but we can definitely do it again. Definitely do our Control L, and then using Visual Basics. Oh, gonna use a particular one. Alright. Should probably start over. Okay. Macros. Use exercise 1. Run this one. Oh, there we go. There we go. Trying to execute our macros due to the fact that the exercise 1 is the more visible of the two. So exit out of that one for that. Okay, deleting a macro, easy enough, and then we're gonna go try to temporarily remove a macro and restore. So macros, we're gonna go ahead and delete exercise 2 and click yes. That's when a prompt is given. Alright, as far as restoring macros, I'm gonna go ahead and click OK here, and then for this we're going ahead and do this, and of course we will change that when what time is going. When it's time to close it. So that should be all of the exercises. Go ahead and change that back. And that is it.